course he's.
He's afraid. He's looking at us.
Of course he's afraid.
Look, he's hiding. The fucker, he's hiding.
What the fuck?
He's hiding. It's probably gonna be like the new pista or something. Yeah, he's hiding in the back, man. He's hiding somewhere. I'm telling you. Are you going there?
Of course he's hiding.
I got him, man. I got him on video. I got him. Look, he's hiding again.
Oh my god.
I got you.
This was funny.
I got him on tape, man. This is gonna be news, man.
Of course it is. This is the, I think this is a new model after F8. It can be.
It's got the pipes in the middle.
This is cool. I'm so lucky.
What is the chance, man? Yeah, he wants to pass him, you know? Look at the blinkers. Saw those blinkers?
Oh, you're gonna hide it.
Me too. The guy must be like totally panicking now. The front lights were different, right?
Everything is different.
He's running away, man.